Okay. Now make it for circle. Keep silence. Make it for circle. First circle. Okay. Make this circle first. Okay. This is that Mowgli's mothers in jungle. First make circle, and then after the circle, one, two, three, like this. Okay. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay. Do like this. And then after that, create one. Okay, basic shape. Okay. One, two. Okay. One, two. Okay. Three. Like this. That is animals whose this is Mowgli mother in jungle. This jackal. Yeah. Wolf, right? Wolf. Yes. Yes, you are correct, Vedans. Wolf it is. Now, that much is done. Okay. So now here you can create one small oval. Okay, like an oval. Okay. Can you tell anybody the name of this character? This mother of who's take care? Mowgli called what called? You don't know, Pooja. So this character, okay, this character not that much. We can go ahead the next part. Okay, so this is the nose, and now here I can create. Okay, here I can create that one. Okay, one and two. One and two. One and two. One and two. Like simple. And here, like this. One. This is the here, like this. Okay. Aram se take time. We are doing Sher Khan. We are doing yes. 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 Now the next steps, come on. Next steps I can create over here. Okay, like this. One curve line. Okay, like this. Okay, and make it like this. Okay. Yes, beta. Yeah, done that much? Very good. I like it. Move it. I like it. Okay, the next steps we are going to. I like it, move it. I like it, move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. See, here some eyes, one curve. Yes, this movie called The Lion King. I like to move it, and make it this. Okay. Yes, make it some line like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. See, this is a draw like a feather. Okay, beta. This. Yes, beta. King. Okay. No. Tomorrow also Mowgli only. But I like that character, that songs. I like to move it, move it. That music is very fun. Yes. What part you need to show? What part you want to know? What to know? Very good. Yes. Yes, yes. 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 Yes, I hear you. Next step, I tell you the next steps. Okay. Just make like this. आराम से. Done. We can go color. Okay, after that. We are going to outline after that. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now the outline make. If you finish, then you can go ahead the outline. Okay. So go to. Wow, that's great. We are going to. Okay. What part beta you want to know? What part bolo? I can show you beta. What part? Okay.
And sir, what do we have to do after the eye?
After the eye, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this is a feather. Actually, this is a hair. Here actually. Okay.
This is the eyebrow.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, do we have origami class tomorrow?
No, this last week I was teaching that clay modeling. Again, the next week origami or clay modeling. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, now we can go ahead to gray color. The character is gray. You have a gray color, all of you. So, okay, take time. Take time, take time. आराम से, आराम से. What part not understand? I show. Yes. Yes, but I hear you. Tell me. Next class is okay. Yeah, next week. Not this week. This week already. Last week I do. Every alternative Sunday we are doing. Okay, this is some planning. It's still not. I take plan after in class. Before I not planning. Origami also I want to show, but you know what's happening? Lots of students not understood the origami. It's say feel the difficulties to the fold, and there's someone sometimes the crying also. I don't know how to draw, how to make. So I feel very bad when some student is crying and feel difficulties. So that's why I little avoid the origami maximum time. You feel that. Yeah. Done that much? Yeah. Yes. Wow, very good, very good. I like it. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. I like it, like it, like it. Oh, man. Yeah, I see. I wish to see. Just a minute. John. It's a John. It's John. Don. No, once. Yes. Okay, thank you so much, all of you. Take care. Super care. Bye bye, all of you. Bye bye. 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 Yes, yes, yes. Okay, wow, that's great. I love it. It's so good. Bye bye, Blessy. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye, beta. Bye. Bye, beta.